Yeah, what's good? It's your boy Jew back up at it in the attic. About to give y'all a little bit of a snippet of a verse I wrote years ago in the grind. Cause you know it's wild out here in the streets, how they gunning us down. Gotta stay alert, stay alive. Roll with TAIBC. Hey yo, I walk with a swagger that I got from New York. Possesses speech that's so deep that I'm known as a source. I am raw, the unforgettable. My lyrics are minerals that nurture growing minds, bloodstreams, and spirituals. Giving you what you've been missing and sharpen your vision. I ain't liking the sleeping titan and awaken the giant. Arise from my creation. My nation is an enemy of Satan. That's why they want me locked in the basement, facing immeasurable odds because I won't submit to their God. I'd rather be a fugitive at large, wanted, dead, not alive, bored in a river of fire for my desire to levitate higher. Catch me if you dare. Step inside diabolically and I'ma put your snake head on a spear. I flare for my peoples until we all treated as equal. When that day comes, I'ma holster my guns. But for now, I'ma stay defiant. In this wild, wild west, tombstone will turn to fire like wire. I'm a militant, heaven-sent gladiator of wolves. Allied ghetto commander-chief, raging bull. Yeah, roll with your boy, T.A. Goo-goo. Bradley Sarge, stay on point. Soldier in the bush, that's right, never relaxing. Gotta stay alert, stay alive, world. Roll with the Jew, scan your soul.